Good morning, students. Today we will describe the sound producing organs or sound production in insects. आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे कीट डिफरेंट काइंड की जो है आवाज निकालते हैं, विभिन्न प्रकार की आवाज निकालते हैं। वो आवाज किस तरह से निकलती है, किसके रबिंग से निकलती है, किसके फ्रिक्शन से निकलती है, किसकी वाइब्रेशन से निकलती है। कोई ऐसी डिवाइस इंसेक्ट में देखने को मिलती है जिसकी वजह से वो बहुत गहरी साउंड या बहुत लाउड साउंड जो है प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं। आपने सिकाडो को देखा होगा गर्मियों के अंदर मई जून में वो पेड़ों से डिफरेंट काइंड की साउंड्स जो है वहां से आती है। बहुत रात के समय आपने देखा होगा कि ग्राइलोटैल्पा होता है, वो मिट्टी में रहते हुए वहां से बहुत अच्छी साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है। तो बहुत सारे तरीके जो हैं साउंड प्रोडक्शन के वो यहाँ पर हम डिस्क्राइब करेंगे। A most recognized classification compiling 5 categories of sound producing mechanism is as follows, which one are: number 1, vibration and tremulation, percussion, stridulation, click mechanism, air expulsion, sound emission which results from vibration. पहला तरीका है vibration से, mostly usually oscillations of the abdomen, either dorsoventrally or laterally and or by the wings. Tremulation, sound producing transmitted through the legs of the substrate on which the insect is walking or standing. कौन से ग्रुप ऐसे हैं जिनमें इस तरह की साउंड्स निकलती है? The representative order is Diptera, Neuroptera, Hemiptera, Plecoptera, Heteroptera, Trichoptera. क्या मेजर फंक्शन है इस साउंड का? मेट फाइंडिंग सामान्यतया जो इसका फंक्शन है वो है अपोजिट सेक्स को अट्रैक्ट करने का। स्पीसीज स्पेसिफिक रिकॉग्निशन, मेटिंग इन डेप्थ, इंडिशमेंट इन न्यूरोप्टेरा। Striking of one body part against another or striking of substrate with tip of the abdomen. Representative order, कौन कौन से ऑर्डर हैं जो कि स्ट्राइकिंग करेंगी? इनमें ब्लेटोइडिया, लेपिडोप्टेरा, कोलियोप्टेरा, ऑर्थोप्टेरा, हेमिप्टेरा, प्लेकोप्टेरा, हेटेरोप्टेरा, सोकोप्टेरा, हेमनेप्टेरा एंड ट्राइकोप्टेरा, आइसोप्टेरा. All these orders which produced by the striking. क्या फंक्शन है इसमें? सभी में फंक्शन एक जैसा सही होगा कि मेट फाइंडिंग, स्पीसीज स्पेसिफिक रिकॉग्निशन, मेटिंग इंड्यूसमेंट इन ब्लेटोइडिया, क्वीन स्टिमुलेशन इन हाइमेप्टेरा, colony alarm in Isoptera and Hymenoptera. All these are the functions which are described by the Capinera 2008. Sound produced by the frictional mechanism involving the movements of two specialized insect body parts against each other in irregular pattern manner. Stridulation representative order Blattoptera, Orthoptera, Hemiptera and Plecoptera, Heteroptera. यहाँ स्ट्राइडुलेशन से इन ऑर्डर्स के अंदर साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है। क्या फंक्शन होगा? ऊपर जो बातें हमने कही है मेट फाइंडिंग की, मेटिंग, इंड्यूसमेंट प्लेटोइडिया के अंदर, स्पीसीज स्पेसिफिक रिकॉग्निशन, डिफेंसिव एंड टेरेस्ट्रियल बिहेवियर, अनयूजुअल exhalatory sounds often expelled via the tracheal spiracles. Representative order Blattoptera और Lepidoptera के अंदर वो फंक्शन होंगे इनके अंदर भी, मेट फाइंडिंग, डिफेंसिव एंड टेरेस्ट्रियल बिहेवियर. These sounds rely on the deformation of a modified area of cuticle, generally by contraction and relaxation of a special musculature within the insect body. This movement results in a succession of click which may be repeated quickly in distinctive pattern. Representative orders are the Blattoptera, Lepidoptera. Major function is the mate finding or defensive and terrestrial behavior. Many authors have attempted to classify sound producing mechanism in insect. The most useful is probably the entirely mechanistic one of Ewing, who recognized 5 categories of sound producing mechanism. जो हमने अभी बात कर रहे थे कि 5 प्रकार के तरीके हैं, उनमें से पहला वाइब्रेशन है, दूसरा परकशन है, तीसरा स्ट्राइडुलेशन है, क्लिक मैकेनिज्म है, एयर एक्सपल्सन है. These categories are not completely exclusive, and some insect may use combination of them in addition to EV. Many other have also reviewed the sound producing mechanism. ईविंग के अलावा भी दूसरे अनेक वैज्ञानिक रहे हैं जिन्होंने अलग अलग तरीके की बात की है, रिव्यू किया है साउंड प्रोड्यूसिंग मैकेनिज्म को. इट इज देयरफॉर unnecessary here to review them in detail, but some comments may be useful in general readers. पहला तरीका है वाइब्रेशन इंक्लूडिंग ट्रिमुलेशन, जैसा हमने पहली बार पढ़ा. All animal sound results from the vibration of some structures. However, in category are included sound emissions, which results from the vibrations of relatively unspecialized part of the insect body. Most usually oscillations of the abdomen, either dorsoventrally or laterally. The term tremulation is useful for this type of sound production and differentiates it from the very general term vibration sound. Such sounds are usually transmitted through the legs of the substrate, legs to the substrate on which the insect is walking or standing. These will therefore usually be detected as substrate transmitted vibrations. Such signals have been documented in various insects but are well known in lacewing flies and other lice. Vibration of other body parts may be important in insect signaling. Most obviously the wings. Sounds are inevitably produced as byproducts of flapping flight, but many insects have developed the use of wing vibrations in communication. The flight sounds in swarming mosquitoes are known often to be species specific and to function in part for species recognition. The use of low frequency wing vibrations in the courtship dances of Drosophila species is better known. When in close proximity, the pulsed songs of these flies stimulates antennal receptors of other individuals by air particles, vibrations in the vicinity. In the book of Hoykala describes the diversity in genetics of these signals in Drosophila. Percussion. Tremulation does not involve percussion either of the substrate or the body parts. This is regarded as a separate mechanism. Percussion of one body part against another may develop as a communication system, as documented, for example, in some ostridian moths and in some cicadas. Signaling by percussions of the substrate with the tip of the abdomen is well known in various insect groups. For example, termites, Isoptera, and particularly stoneflies, Plecoptera. An unusual example among the bush crickets, Tetragonidae, are the species of Meconema. It is a group otherwise well known for the production of loud stridulatory signals. Male of Meconema, the distinctive stridulatory mechanism typical of the family but actively stomp the substrate with one of their hind legs and produce patterned signals in that way. Stridulation. The term stridulation has sometimes been used as a general term for any mechanism of sound production in insects, but that negates the utility of the term. It is more usually confined to sounds produced by frictional mechanism involving the movement of two specialized body parts against each other in the regular patterned manner. This is an extremely widespread and relatively well-studied mechanism. Such systems have been described in at least 7 different insect orders, in most of which it has evolved separately on numerous occasions, as for example in the Coleoptera. Almost all body parts which it is possible to bring into juxtaposition have been modified as a stridulatory mechanism in one group or another. Next one is the click mechanism. These lie on the deformation of the modified area of cuticle, usually by contraction and relaxation of special musculature within the body. This results in a series of clicks which may be repeated rapidly in distinctive patterns. Such signals may be amplified in a variety of ways in different insects. The specialized area of cuticle as acts amplified most obviously in the loud singing cicada, Hemiptera cicadidae, is known as the timbal. The basics of this mechanism were known to ancient Greek philosophers. Timbal mechanism. The air expulsion. This is an unusual and rare mechanism within the insect. The various authors have described in a number of insect exhalatory sounds, often expelled via the tracheal respiracles, but little is known about by any function. The best known example is the large and spectacular European hawk moth, the death head of Echirontia atrophos. Which expels air forcibly through the mouthparts to make a distinctive piping sound. Reported similar sounds produced by several African sphingid moths. Thus, many sound-producing mechanisms have been described for a wide variety of insects, but many exist only as possible mechanisms based simply on surmise from morphological evidence. यहाँ पे इंसेक्ट मड के अंदर ये बैठे हुए और यहाँ वाइब्रेशंस होते हैं, तो एयर एक्सपेल्सन यहाँ से निकलती है जिसकी साउंड यहाँ से निकलती है, तो एक ग्राइलोटेल्पा है, तो ग्राइलोटेल्पा यहाँ से साउंड बाहर निकलता है, ये हॉर्न की तरह से काम करता है, यहाँ से साउंड एम्पलीफाई होकर बाहर निकलती है। तो इस तरह से ये इंसेक्ट के अंदर साउंड प्रोडक्शन मैकेनिज्म है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।